Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for Monday the 16th of March. And today was a fun, interesting, and slightly frustrating day. So it was a good day of trading for sure. But anyway, today in our trading room, we made one trade and ended up pulling 2.5 points out of the market. We got in up here. Price came up, came down, and then it finally started to pop up, but it came down and hit our stop and then took off. It was one of those events where it is what it is. Do you move your stop up? Do you not? I was a little aggressive in the stop placement, but it is what it is. 2.5 points, still something good, and we can still look at the market and say I'm okay. I can come back and make some more money. Make this week a really good week. Make next week a really good week. But anyway, we got taken out of that. So we basically watched price to see what we could do. We tried to get in down here. No fill over here. We actually had right here we had our entry. Price hit it and ran off, so we did not get filled there. And it was just one of those days. And today's a great example to show. I know I had another one this month, and I don't want to have too many examples like this because it's going to frustrate the hell out of me. But it's something that is good to see. Hey, this guy's been trading for 13 plus years. He didn't get it. Maybe you made more money than me. It doesn't really matter. But maybe you did. Maybe you didn't. I don't know. But it's a good example to show, I'm not able to catch every single trade in the market. Sometimes the markets move really nicely, and I only have 2.5 points to show for. Now, if this was negative 2.5, I would be really pissed at myself because I'm the only one who I can be mad at. If you lose money in the markets, the only person you can really be angry with is yourself. And when I use the word angry, I don't mean the angry emotion, like angry, I'm mad, I'm going to go out and strangle somebody, I might punch someone in the face, or perhaps get some road rage. Not that type of angry. I'm talking about internally angry, and I don't even know how to word it correctly. But I guess aggravated would be a better word. You're aggravated at yourself. When you're trading in real time, it doesn't matter. But after the day, you can say, well, I wonder what happened. Let me go over what actually happened. And it's okay to be aggravated at yourself at that time. When you're actually trading in real time, it doesn't matter. A trade is a trade is a trade. So anyway, hopefully that makes a little bit of sense there. We missed more trades than we got into today. And that makes the day a little frustrating. But if the day wasn't frustrating, it wouldn't be a challenging day. And these are the days that I live for. I trade because I love challenges. And, to me, when I'm being challenged, I enjoy it. You can look at today and say, well, you didn't rise to the challenge, Matt. Well, we did in positive. We made 2.5 points. Yeah, we could have made more. Quite a bit more. The market moved 11.5 points from our entry. But I wanted to point out today, you might not catch every single trade. You might get stopped out and the market might keep going. But all you can do is look for another trade. It doesn't really matter, what you want. If you want to strangle the market or, I'm going to make the market do this or, that you can't do that. It's impossible unless you have hundreds of millions of dollars, and then why would you want to do that? Because it doesn't make any sense. So anyway, hopefully that made some sense to you, what I was talking about here. And I wanted to talk about a trade that we took that I highlighted last week in the Russell. You know, we were long March, moving up here, and then we got into June down here. Actually, 1217 is right here, so we got in right here. And today, you know, prices started moving up. We got taken out partial right here, which very early this morning. You know, prices still moving up. We have our stop down here. So worst case scenario, we make over, I think it maybe 2.5 to 1 or something like that, which is good. You know, right now we have locked in, I think, $2,400, including this partial that we took off, and that's because we trade two sides. So I'm assuming the minimum, so one contract each side, which would be two contracts long. You know, if you're trading more than two contracts, you're probably a lot happier. You know, but it's just a good day, and it's good to be able to, you know, show our mishaps in the E-mini trading room. And mishaps is a relative word, because, you know, the only real thing that we did was I was a little aggressive with the stop in the first trade, and we just didn't get filled in the other one. So I mean, it is what it is. You know, I liked those entries that I laid out. I didn't want to be any more aggressive than I was. So if I did today over again, I would do those same entries and not get filled. So I'm happy. You know, in the Russell here, we were able to make some nice money. You know, so it was a good day. We made a few other trades, and they worked out as well. So it was a really good day all in all. You know, 2.5 points, we'll add that to our total, and, you know, come back tomorrow and see what we can do. But I do think it's going to be a fun week. You know, just like I talked about in the Sunday market analysis video, I expect it to be a fun week and a very good tradable week. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow in the markets. Thank you.